Most Americans don't get out of debt by working harder. They get out of debt by working smarter. Because paying debt randomly doesn't work. But there is a system that thousands of Americans use to escape debt faster than most people think is possible. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step. Stay until the end, because the final strategy is the one that speeds everything up dramatically. Debt can feel overwhelming. Credit cards, loans, bills, balances. Most people try to pay it off using motivation. But motivation fades. Americans who actually become debt-free don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. And once you understand the smartest system used by people who escape debt quickly, everything changes. Let's break it down. Step 1. See the full picture. The first thing smart debt killers do is simple. They list every debt they have. Not mentally. Not roughly. Exactly. They write down total balances, interest rates, minimum payments, due dates. Why? Because debt feels scarier when it's vague. But when it's clear, it becomes a plan. Clarity turns fear into strategy. You can't fix what you refuse to measure. Step 2. Stop adding new debt. This sounds obvious. But it's the step most people skip. You can't drain a bathtub while the faucet is still running. Americans who pay off debt fast. Stop using credit cards temporarily. Pause unnecessary purchases. Avoid financing new things. Not forever. Just long enough to regain control. Because progress only starts when the balance stops growing. Step 3. Use the avalanche method. This is the smartest mathematical strategy. It's called the debt avalanche method. Here's how it works. Pay minimums on all debts. Put every extra dollar toward the highest interest rate. Once the debt is gone, move to the next highest. Why this works? Interest is the real enemy. High interest grows debt faster than payments shrink it. By attacking interest first, you save the most money and finish faster. It's not emotional. It's mathematical. And math always wins. Step 4. Automate payments. The fastest debt-free Americans don't rely on memory. They automate everything. Minimum payments. Extra payments. Reminders. Automation removes late fees. Missed payments. Decision fatigue. Once payments are automatic, progress becomes predictable. Consistency beats intensity every time. Step 5. Find hidden money. Here's a secret most people don't realize. You don't always need more income to pay debt faster. You need fewer leaks. Smart Americans check for unused subscriptions, delivery fees, impulse spending, and used memberships. Most people find $200 to $500 per month just by cutting waste. That extra money becomes a debt weapon. Not extra work, just smarter redirection. Step 6. Lower your interest. Fast debt reducers don't just pay debt. They optimize it. They look for ways to reduce interest. Balance transfers, refinancing, consolidation loans, negotiating rates. Lower interest equals faster payoff. Because more of your payment hits the principal instead of interest. Even a small rate reduction can save hundreds or thousands. Step 7. Create momentum wins. Debt feels endless until progress becomes visible. That's why many successful debt-free Americans track progress visually. They watch balances drop monthly, celebrate small wins, mark milestones. Momentum is powerful. When you see progress, you stay consistent. And consistency is what actually eliminates debt. The real secret. Most people think debt freedom comes from discipline. It doesn't. It comes from systems. Discipline is temporary. Systems are automatic. People who escape debt faster don't have stronger willpower. They have better systems. What smart Americans do differently. People who pay off debt fastest usually follow the same rules. They track numbers clearly. They attack high interest first. They automate payments. They cut waste. They avoid new debt. Not complicated. Just consistent. Financial freedom isn't about doing extreme things. It's about doing smart things repeatedly. Final message. Debt isn't permanent. It only feels permanent when there's no system. The moment you build a strategy, debt starts shrinking. Not magically. Predictably. Because money responds to structure. If you want simple money systems, AI tools, and proven strategies Americans use to win financially, subscribe to The Money System. Because getting out of debt isn't about luck. It's about using smarter systems.